guys, it's Mara Amazing, and I am back in Miami on my terrace. And today's video will be $1 Million Mansion. So you guys should be excited for this because I made an awesome nightclub, some beautiful rooms, and I can't wait to show you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe. So let's go. Hey guys, so we are going to be doing my $1 Million Mansion, which took me a very long time to make, and I'm excited to show you guys. So here, it's actually supposed to be like a checking in area. It was supposed to be a hotel. I honestly don't know. I think it should be a mansion though. And then I always leave the doors open for no reason. Here's my little dance club, and as you may see, I like to dance. Sorry, it's amazing. Anyways, so here is the bar, like where people just put their drinks and they do random stuff, I guess. And then here is my elevator, and I have only made 2 floors, but I don't know why I made a 3-floor elevator. I was thinking on expanding it, but I may do that in another vid, so. Oh wow, I just jumped on the roof. Wow. Anyway, so here's the crib area. People can how do you say it? Reserve this, reserve the rooms. And the kids who are modern can watch some TV. They can do their jam. Like they can literally sit here and do absolutely nothing but turn off and dance. So yeah, here was a room that I was gonna make into a cotton candy. No! But I did not exactly finish it. Anyways, as you can see, I'm still outside. Wow. Oh, awesome. Okay, let me see. Okay, it should be here in a second. Back up to the room. No, you've got to be kidding. Guys, so here is the upstairs kind of hallway thing. And then here is the little baby crib area. And here, let me just turn on the light. Here is where I watch pink fluffy unicorns and I dance. Ouch! I don't think that was meant to happen. It's cursed! Cursed! The next room is this, like, it's supposed to be daycare, but I'm not really sure what it should be. So here's supposed to be a daycare. I may put Mr. Banana on all of them. And the cool thing is that I put 1 billion of lights, and it was hard to make that because not exactly art attack. And then in here is a beautiful bathroom. Here is where people sit and they can get their makeup done, or if you want, you can just do your own makeup, but it will still cost money for using the hotel's products. So if you don't mind if I do, I'm just trying to use this. I'm spraying it all over me. And so then here you have to wash your hands if you go poop, but there's no toilet. So I'm just gonna quickly have a bath. My normal like routine thing, I guess I just have a bath. Like, you see, I have a bunch of lights here. Nobody ever tells me, thank you, Mara. Thank you for putting the lights there. Thank you. Nobody does that, no. I have ouch. I keep banging my hand on things, guys. This is really hurtful. I made this one too. Amazing's Cafe pancakes are $2, hot dogs are $3, tacos are $5, burgers are $10, pizza's $15, apple pie is $20, pumpkin pie is $30, full turkey is $50, family meals, 1 burger, 2 full turkeys, 1 full pizza, and 4 blocks of coals. $150. But that's a lot of stuff, and it's expensive to cook all that. So I'm not just being rude. Yeah, no, okay. You're not really feeling me there. You don't agree with me. You're just like, Mara. That's right. Now, here is the amazing part of this beautiful tour, where I definitely use the toilet. Don't mind me, I'm just using the toilet randomly. And it's 6 a.m. people. Oh my god, this is the time where I like to go skydiving, but I cannot because I'm showing you the tour of my house, not my everyday life thing. And then here is where it's like a valet or something, I guess, and people just drive their cars in here, park their cars. I drive my thingy here. I just let it to go. Whee! This always happens. I'm such a bad driver. It just like falls down. I get really, and then sometimes I like to just randomly drive it, like, whee! Look at me! You see? So rude. I hate you. We're going back to my mansion where we do live. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, you should go check out some of my other Roblox videos. And also, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications button. Don't just hit the subscribe button, but I think you should smash it. Anyways, bye, see you in the next video.